really not mind the stain on my shirt. I'm working hard today. Let's go check this spot out.
Holy moly, macaroni! Oh yeah!
So, as you can see, still a little bit of work to do around this property, but for the most part, she's pretty well wrapped up, and I must say, she's looking beautiful.
Flashback.
Alright, out here at this new job, just starting. Got Mr. Matt in the building. You already know what it is. Out here with future Artist of the Year, Ryan Schroeder. Gonna have negative edge coming down here into a stream, basing down in this area, and then waterfalls shooting over towards this patio, and then connecting to that stream, coming down, back down into that basin. So, just walked around for 10 minutes and I wasn't even recording. Let's try this again. Checking up on the pond squad. You already know who it is. My man Ryan. Got Jeremy handling business. Teamwork makes the dream work. Got the whole squad out here today. Got Eric, even Boss Man's back there. You know the man himself, Ryan. And there goes Mr. West. We got lights on lights on lights, all under cap lights, all that's lit up, all that's lit up. Landscaping, up lights, trees, lights, 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 lights. Needless to say, it's about to be lit, unintended. 70 to today. 70 to today.
What did he say?
End of flashback.
Oh, we got this gorgeous waterfall coming down into the pondless basin, all up here through the stream. Nice stone bridge, and we come up side stream coming down over here. And then we have a little mini swim pond for the grandkids. Crystal clear, looks beautiful. It's warming up. I might jump in, stay tuned. The little tadpoles everywhere taking off in this healthy ecosystem. That's our little wetland filter over there. Got the gorgeous bubbling urns. Perfect to ride a room, take a little dip or a swim, and it flows off the negative edge there, down into a stream, down to that basin, the little side stream coming in over there. She's a real beaut. And you can see we got these stone steppers right there. Take you down into the swimming area that are right now all covered. These cute little tadpoles. Looks like a couple of the koi came out to visit us. All the other ones, I believe, hiding underneath there. A big rock right there. It's a nice fish cave. Keep them protected from predators like those stupid herons that try to eat everybody's fish. And then have this gorgeous natural stone patio. Steps walk down. And we did this little flagstone patio, fire pit, and of course, you already know what it is. Real smokeless fire pit insert to set it off. Couple little nice butt seating rocks. Sit down, chill, enjoy the fire. Still hear the sounds of the waterfall in the back. Also hook them up with low voltage landscape lighting all over here. Walkway, natural stone steps coming down. Y'all remember what this looked like in the winter when it was 2 degrees outside, and now also they have new neighbors. Maybe we'll be able to hook them up too. Oh, got patio, the fire pit, the other patio areas, the walkways, the landscape, vegetable garden coming soon, and the mini swim pond. This backyard is lit. Let me know what you think down in the comments. If you like it, love it, want to come over here and take a swim, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Catch you on the next one. I'm going for a swim.
I'll catch you on the flip side.
forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.
Oh!